Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Sanna Marin, a politician who has been Prime Minister of Finland since December 2019. She is called the youngest Prime Minister of the world. Raza Bakir. He is the Governor of State Bank of Pakistan. He is a Pakistani economist, currently serving as the 20th Governor of State Bank of Pakistan since 2019. Secretary General of OIC Yusuf bin Ahmad Al Uthaymin. He was the former Minister of Social Affairs of Saudi Arabia, holding the post of General Counsellor and Chief Executive Officer of OIC. Dr. Yusuf bin Ahmad Al Uthaymin is the Secretary General of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation since 17 November 2016. Visit of Prince William. Prince William and his wife Kate, the Duchess of the Cambridge, arrived in Pakistan's capital Islamabad on 14th October 2019. Boris Johnson. He is the Prime Minister of United Kingdom. He is a British politician, author, and former journalist who has served as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom and leader of the Conservative Party since 2019. He was Foreign Secretary from 2016 to 2018 and Mayor of London from 2008 to 2016. Ashraf Ghani. He is the President of Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. He was first elected on 20 September 2014 and was re-elected in the 28 September 2019 presidential election. He was announced the winner after a protracted process in February 2020 and was sworn in for a second term on 9th March 2020. Pakistan's ambassador to China is H.E. Nagmana. Nagmana A. Hashmi is current ambassador to China since July 12, 2018. DGISI. The current Director General ISI is Faiz Hamid since 17 June 2019. Yusuf ibn Ibrahim al-Ansari or Abu Yusuf wrote Kitab al-Kharaj. Tafsir-e-Tabri was written by Muhammad ibn Jarir al-Tabr. Resumption of British Airways in Pakistan. British Airways direct flights resumed in June 2019 after a 10-year break. Gulzar Ahmad. He is a Pakistani jurist who is the 27th and current Chief Justice of Pakistan. Mehwish Hayat. She was honored by Government of Pakistan with Tamga-e-Imtiaz on 23rd March 2019. Attack in Christian Church, New Zealand occurred on 15th March 2019. About 9 Pakistani Muslims were killed and several injured. Kamyab Jawan program was launched by Prime Minister on 17th October 2019. It's about 100 billion rupees project. The United Nations has declared Pakistani education activist and Nobel laureate Malala Yousafzai as the most famous teenager in the world.